Hey, friend in the business, thanks for watching this quick little video, little update on some new listings, some coming soon listings, some just listed, wondering if we can help each other. How can we support each other? Every last Wednesday of the month, I tend to like to try to pull us together a little bit. I haven't been in the business for 20 plus years, looking for a little more collaboration on the last part of my business, so collaborating with other agents. What I'm offering this next Wednesday is how to get 5 more deals in this next quarter, the second quarter. If you're interested, would love to collaborate with you on Wednesday. We're already noticing interest rates have gone up a little bit. Things seem to be slowing down a little bit. Still, I believe tremendous value in our market. And so let's collaborate. Please join me on Wednesday. Have a look below for some tips and tricks, and reach out anytime. Thanks very much.